So friend, you can see we have two buttons here. First is pick image and second one is capture. So this is basically a ionic capacitor app application, and this is for uploading multiple images on the server. So when I click on pick image and I choose the gallery and I select some images here, and so we have some images, and let's say we have to remove some one particular image. Let's say this last one we have to remove, then we simply click on cancel button and it removed. So we can here can upload the four images. So here is the upload button. Let's click on upload and it's uploading. So all four images are uploaded, and we have the four public URL of the uploaded images. So when I click on any URL, it show the uploaded images. So this is the app to upload multiple images basically. Now if we check the code, you can see the code here. So this is the pick images method, and we use the camera capacitor camera plugin pick images method, and when I pick the images it returns the array. And basically in the response we have the photos array, and this photo array is assigned to a array variable, and we loop through that array, and for every image we get the web path, and through that path we get the base 64 of images by using this method. So if you check the get base 64 method, we you can see we just call the http get method. It's basically http is http client, and we call the get method, and we pass the path for each and every image inside the loop, and the response type is blob. So when the response we get the response, we create a file reader object, and inside file reader uh, we just call the read as data URL, and we pass the blob as a parameter. So when it's load, the this function will be execute, and inside this function we get the result as a base 64 string in this line here. And after getting base 64 we have the images array declared above, and we push the each every base 64 of that image particular image inside the images array. And you can see the HTML, we loop through the images array and we plot the image here, this inside this. So you can see we use the ng for to plot all the images. So this is the code for getting the multiple images, and if you want the code you can contact me. And this is the upload method. So you can see we upload every images one by one, and basically there is a inner function, and inner function is execute multiple times. It depends upon how many images we have to upload, and inside inner we call a final method upload file. And if you check the upload file, we pass the base 64 of that image extension and a callback function. So basically in this method we call a API, PHP API, and in this PHP API we pass the base 64 and extension only, and call the post method of HTTP client, and it returns the uploaded URL here. So this is the whole code basically. This is the basically overview of how it performing. So if you want code you can contact me. Thank you.